Hello everyone, today we discuss about health insurance in the United States. In the United States, health insurance helps pay for medical expenses through privately purchased insurance, social insurance or social welfare program funded by government. Synonyms for the usage include health coverage, then care coverage and health benefits. In the more technical sense, the term health insurance is used to describe any form of insurance providing protection against the cost of medical services. This usage includes both private insurance programs and social insurance programs, such as Medicare, which pools resources and spreads the financial risk associated with major medical expenses across the entire population to protect everyone, as well as social welfare program like Medicaid and the Children Health Insurance Program, which both provide assistance to people who cannot afford health coverage. In addition to medical expense insurance, health insurance may refer to insurance coverage disability or long-term nursing and custodial care needs. Different health insurance provides different level of financial protection, and the scope of coverage can vary widely, with more than 40% of insured individuals reporting that their plans do not adequately meet their needs as of 2007. The share of Americans without health insurance has been cut in half since 2013. Many of the reforms instituted by the Affordable Care Act of 2010 were designed to extend health care coverage to those without it. However, high cost growth continues unabated. National health expenditures are projected to grow 4.7% per person per year from 2016 to 2025. Public health care spending was 29% of federal mandated spending in 1990 and 35% of it in 2000. It is also projected to be roughly half in 2005. Now we discuss about enrollment and the uninsured. Gallup issued a report in July 2014 stating that the uninsured rate for adults 18 and over declined from 18% in 2013 to 13.4% in 2014, largely because there were new coverage options and market reforms under the Affordable Care Act grant corporation and similar findings. Trends in private coverage was the proportion of not elderly individuals with employer sponsored cover fell from 66% in 2000 to 56% in 2010. Then now we discuss about trends in public coverage. Public insurance cover increased from 2000 to 2010 in part because of an aging population and an economic downturn in the later part of the decade. Now we discuss about state of the uninsured. The uninsured portion was stable at 14 to 15% from 1990 to 2008, then rose to a peak of 18% in 2013 and rapidly fell to 11% in 2015.